Hello friends and welcome back to the Recruitian channel. So friends, today I will talk about Microsoft first cloud PC, Windows 365 Link Mini PC. So where Microsoft has launched the first cloud PC, the Windows 365 Link, a compact mini computer designed to stream desktop from Windows 365 Cloud PC service with a price tag of $450 and this device is geared toward business seeking a streamlined and secure way to access cloud-based computing solution. The Windows 365 Link is built with a 120 into 120 into 30 form factor and offer various port of connectivity. It includes HDMI port, DisplayPort, both supporting dual function display, and additionally the device is equipped with 4 USB 3.2 port, including Type-C port, Ethernet port, and 3.5 audio jack, and the device support Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring compatibility with a broad range of peripherals. And under the hood, the Windows 365 Link run on the Intel N250 processor with 8 GB LPDDR5 memory and 64 GB of UFS storage. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.